welcome back to my channel, and I'm really excited because once again I've partnered up with FabFitFun to bring you their summer 2018 box, and I'm so excited. If you don't know anything about FabFitFun, let me give you a little bit of information. It's a seasonal subscription box, which means you get it 4 times a year. And they support a lot of philanthropic causes, and this box is supporting the Wildlife Conservation Society, which is really important to me living here in Florida. We have a lot of wildlife that gets in problems with plastic, either due to the fishing lines or just the plastic that ends up in our waters. And what you will see in this FabFitFun box, they give you full-size fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products, and even fitness products. Now each box is $49.99, but I do have a $10 off coupon, which will be listed in the description box below, and it's Magnolia, which will give you $10 off your first box. And the total value of this box is over $300, so you totally get your money's worth. This one is they allow you to customize your boxes, so depending on what you pick, it can be anywhere from $321.99 to $367.99. And they always support female companies and, like I said, awesome causes. So I'm really happy to bring you this box. So let's see what's in it. Let me push this down just a little bit so we can see. And let's just talk about the box. It is gorgeous. It is so bright and summery. I love it. It is so pretty. So let's open it up and see what's on the inside. I did take a peek, but I haven't tried anything out. Now you'll always get this little pamphlet that comes with every FabFitFun box, and it will tell you about the products in the box, how to use them, and it gives you tips on other things. And then it will also tell you what's in the box, each item costs. And like I said, this one is raising awareness for wildlife. And it says, a plastic straw has a lot more impact than you think. Imagine a graceful sea otter is now swimming through the ocean and it mistakes a plastic straw for a delicious meal. The next thing you know, the sea otter accidentally ingests the plastic and has a 50% chance of survival. So it's a really serious problem. And so what you get to do, it says more than 260 species of wildlife have ingested plastic or have become entangled in plastic debris. So it just says, make a sea otter's day and pledge to use less plastic at giveasip.us, and they'll send you a free reusable stainless steel straw. So I think that is really good. So let's open this up and see what all, like I said, is in here, and then I'll read about it to you. And it's always sealed with something really cute, and this has a little strawberry. And then the inside of the box I think is very pretty too, but let's get into what is fun, okay? In no particular order, I'm just gonna start picking things out. Okay, here, this is first. This is a beach towel, Summer Rose beach towel. Make your own sunshine. Okay, it comes in 2 different patterns. You can either get the pineapple pattern or the frond pattern like I got, and it is $55, and it's oversized beach towel, and it's made with microfiber, and they say that it won't stick to the sand, and I think that is gorgeous. Just look at the vibrant colors. I love this. This will be good out by the pool or anywhere, and it would match any bathing suit. So I really like the one that I got. Like I said, you can customize your box depending on what you pick. So let's see now, but the beach towel, it's just kind of like whatever they send you. So they could have sent you the beach towel or the train case. And this Yumi Kim makeup train case is large enough to store your favorite beauty products and features 2 separate compartments with zipper closures. And if you got the train case, it would be $58. And you can either get it in this colorful print or this really pretty black print, which looks like it has some color around the top. Okay, so let's just get in here right now. And ooh, tardiest Pro To Go Tarte eyeshadow palette. I love Tarte products. And this, you could have either gotten the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette for $45, or this, the makeup one that I received, the Tarteist Pro To Go Palette and Sex Kitten Liquid Eyeliner. So both of these come together. And this one together is $43. And they always give you like little tips like, new to the cat eye look, use a piece of tape to create a super straight line, just different things like that. So let's get in here and see. Oh, I think that is pretty. And it's so little it would fit in your purse. And it has a little mirror at the bottom, and I'll come up close so you can see it. It's really cloudy here today, so I hope that this is picking up. So let's do some swatching. Okay, here's Drive. Oh, that's a pretty color. That would be really pretty. And then this one is Stylin'. Oh, that has a lot of payoff on that. And then we have Hype. Ooh, Hype is very pretty. I love that. And then we have Crisp. So you get 4 matte shades. This is a very good neutral palette, and I like neutrals, but it's really a lot of payoff. And then you get 2 shimmers. You get Boss and Dominate. So let's see about Boss. There's Boss near my watch. That is so pretty. And then right here is Dominate. Ooh, that is pretty. That is like a berry color. I really do love that. So I love this. And then this right here is the Sex Kitten Liquid Eyeliner. Oh, it's really cute. It has a little kitten on the end. I think that's adorable. Oh, wow. It has a nice long tip, which would help you to get a really good defined wing if you wanted to do one. Oh, and it goes on very smooth. That would be, I really will be able to line my eyes really well with this. I'm so glad that I received that. That is a total win. And like I said, that is $43 right there. So that is practically your box, and that is well worth it, okay? And then the next thing I received was the Orlando Pita Play Atmos Shield Hair Protectant Spray. So, let me see what it says about that. This is $34, and it says in just a few spritz, the treatment spray creates an invisible, weightless veil that shields the hair from harmful UV damage, heat styling tools, and free radicals. And I believe that I saw that this has a lot of healthy ingredients for your hair. So let me just spray this and see what it smells like. This smells really good. I like this. I'll definitely use this on my hair. And then let's see what else. You could have gotten that, or you could have got the Papaya Enzyme Me Peel from Elemis, which was $45. Okay, now you can either get the Scenty Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator, which is $29, or you can get the Maja Sports Loop Resistance Band, which is $15, or a Minor History Postscript Wallet, which is $20. And looks like I received the fitness band, so I'm excited about that. I've been trying to get so much more healthier. Let's give this a try. Oh yeah, I can feel that in the muscles. Oh, that is gonna be great. And this is so portable. This is awesome. And like I said, this is $15. And then you could either get the Earth to Yo-Yo ring, which is a 14 karat gold plated ring that has 2 naturally cultured freshwater pearls on it that is $55, or you could get the Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel, which is $39, which sounds like that would have been nice, or the Javanera Marianella Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar, which is $48. And it says this luxurious body treatment is made with natural ingredients that work together to exfoliate, condition, and hydrate all at once. So, and that's what I got. Oh, awesome. I need me some hydration. So let's look. It says tip in the bath or shower, massage the caviar into wet skin, gently scrub, rinse off with warm water, and pat dry. And that's what that looks like. It's hard to see because it is definitely a black caviar consistency, and it's very, it smells nice. And here's the little scrubs. They're just like little black scrubby things, really rough. Well, not too rough, but I mean, they will exfoliate your skin nicely, so that is good. I'm liking that really well, and it does, just that little bit I had on my hand, my fingers feel very moisturized. Okay, and then, we're not through yet, okay, and then they have the Kula Sport Face Sport SPF 50 White Tea Moisturizer. So that is really good. I'm excited about that. It says this SPF 50 sunscreen doubles as a moisturizer, and it has 80-minute water resistance, and it's made with 70% organic ingredients, so you can splash, swim, and soak up the sun worry-free. And this is $32. And this is really important for me. This is non-GMO, it's vegan, gluten-free. I just love this because I am getting allergies to a lot of different suntan lotions that have parabens and things like that in it. So let's see what this. Oh, and it smells so nice. It doesn't smell like your typical sunscreen lotion, which is good. I could totally wear this every day underneath my moisturizer and makeup and not feel like I'm walking around smelling, you know, like, oh, I've been to the beach or the pool. I love that. So far, I love everything in my box. Okay, and then they have this Pier 1 Imports Marble Dish Ring, and everyone will get these last 3 items. And that is so pretty. It's marble, and then it has some gold trim around it. This would be great just to put keys in, extra change, your earrings, put it beside your bed, put your earrings in at night, or you can put your rings in it, different things like that. And this is valued at $14.99. So I like that. It's a perfect little catch-all. I really do like that. And then the last thing in my box is this Foreo Luna Fofo, okay? And this says this is valued at $89. And I was out at Ulta the other day and I saw this same thing for $99. So it's even a deal in this box. Okay, this says, guess what? You're one of the first to get your hands on Foreo's newest revolutionary device. It is powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile, which is sent straight to newly launched Foreo Luna app. But it says to avoid clay or grainy cleansers as they may damage the silicone touch points. Oh, that is very interesting. So let me look in here. And you can see the different colors that it comes in. I really wish that I had, I mean, the black's nice, but I wish I had gotten maybe the pink or one of the blues. I think that would have been brighter, but it does the same thing. Okay, and it says it has skin sensor technology, measures 1,000 units per second to assess hydration levels, made of ultra hygienic silicone, quick drying, non-porous, prevents bacteria buildup, T-sonic pulsations, 8,000 pulsations per minute for deep, effective cleaning. Oh, I like that. All right, let's see if we can open this. Okay, let's open this and see. Oh, these are so soft. When I saw it in the box or in the picture, I thought it would be rough, but they're very gentle. And then it comes with this little pad here that has some sticky stuff on it. And instructions. And it says you just remove your makeup, wet your face, and apply your cleanser, and then turn on by holding the button for 30 seconds. And it says, and you can see that it's on because I have a little light back there glowing, and it says that it will just move it in circular motions, and it'll pulse and let you know when to move to the next area. Oh, I love this. And like I said, it's real. So this is what all was in my box. I'm really pleased with it. And like I said, I will put the coupon code for 10% off your first box in the description box below. And I want to thank FabFitFun for partnering with me once again. And I really do love everything that was in my box. And I think these eyeshadows are going to be gorgeous. And I'll have to let you know how this Foreo little facial cleanser turns out. I'm excited to try that. But so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.